Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are tackling a classic CSEC physics exam question. And if you master this type of question, you are securing easy marks in your exams. It says a velocity time graph is shown. The total displacement from 0 to 100 seconds is 1400 meters. Find the value of V. All right. Before jumping into calculations, pause and observe. This graph has three clear sections. From 0 to 40 seconds, the object is accelerating, and from 40 to 80 seconds, it is moving at a constant velocity, and from 80 to 100 seconds, it is decelerating to rest. And I want us to remember the golden rule, which is displacement is equal to area under the velocity time graph. So we split this graph into shapes. The first one is a triangle, which is the start. Second is a rectangle, and the third is a triangle. So let's begin. Remember that the total displacement is equal to 1400 meters. So it means that the area of graph is 1400. So let's start. Let's start with the first triangle, which is let's call it area 1. Area 1. That is a triangle, is from 0 to 40 seconds. So our area 1 becomes half times the base is 40 times the height of this triangle is V. So let's go. So 2 cancel out 40 will give us 20. So we have 20 times V is 20V. So the area for the first shape is 20V. So for area 2, which is from 40 to 80 seconds, as you can see, is a rectangle. The area for a rectangle is length times width. So the length is 40. 80 minus 40 is 40. So we have 40 times the width is V. So 40 times V gives us 40V. Our next shape, which is let's call it area 3, is from 80 seconds to 100 seconds. And it is a triangle, so it's half times the base, which is 80 to 100. 100 minus 80 will give us 20, times the height of the triangle is V. So 2 into 20 is 10. So we have 10 times V is 10V. So therefore, the total area will give us 20V plus 40V plus 10V. That will give us 70V. Our next step is to equate this total area to displacement, which is 1400. So therefore, we have 70V equal to the total displacement, which is 1400. Next step, we find V, so we divide both sides by 70. So divide this by 70, this by 70. So 0 cancel 0, 70 cancel 70. So we have V equal to 70 into 1400 is 20. So we have V equal to 20. The unit for velocity is meters per second. So that is our final answer. Now, to get full marks, you have to split graph into shapes, use correct formulas, and also you have to equate the total area to displacement. And lastly, you have to write your answer with the units. The common mistakes most students make is forgetting one triangle or using wrong base and not multiplying rectangles properly. And lastly, most students leave answers as V equal to 20 without units. You have to remember that unit is very, very important.